Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. We are
Roberto.
And I'm Magdalena. And today we are going to show you a very diverse intermediate bachata movement using body waves. Let's go!
La curiosidad, aunque no pretendo quedarme, me da un poco de ansiedad. Y es que en la vida todo se puede, esté bien o esté mal. Pero podré vivir con la culpa de que al menos una vez más te volví a probar. Tu boca no pierde sabor a caramelo. Nos dejamos quemar. Tú eres mi bandolera, yo soy tu bandolero. Te volví a probar. Tu boca no pierde sabor a caramelo. Nos dejamos quemar. Tú eres mi bandolera, yo soy tu bandolero. Esa boquita tan dulce, sabor a caramelo. Ella es un ángel, pero se la tenta caliente el fuego. Siempre alta, no necesita vuelo. A nadie le cuenta, come que la consuela. Ella es muy atractiva, prende de la sativa. Siempre provocativa, soltera vive la vida. Entra que baña que se ve bien explosiva. Todos los domingos poco, la cumbia de
Okay guys, so we started with this one in a closed position. And let's go into the basic. First we're facing this way and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now let's go into the basic in 1, 2. On 3, we, the leaders, we're staying in place and we are pushing the lady a little bit so that she keeps walking with the basic in 3, 4. And in 4, I move my hand from this position to over here. From here, I will open walking forward and rotating my body to the left in 5. So when I rotate, then she knows as well that she needs to rotate. And with this one, we are doing a turn with this hand. We go into 6, 7, 8. So the whole time our basic is staying the same. We're just changing her position into a half turn. And we end up both looking in that direction. We have here our hand, and as you can see here, her hand is also in this position. Let's show it from another point of view so that you can see this better. We start here, we go directly into it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So her hand is traveling in a circular motion and at the end it's open like this. From here, we go into a basic that way and the follower is going that way. And this one goes in kind of like a caricia, so it just goes up and creates this kind of circle, and now we are both in this position. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video. Now, in order for her to have this hand over here, when we are walking that way, in 3 and 4, we are grabbing her body a little bit. Well, not grabbing, just touching her body. So we go here and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. That way she knows better that I want to have this hand at the end. And this one we leave it open because from here we are turning her into the pretzel in 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we are here in the pretzel, guys, make sure to have connection on the hips and also on the chest and the shoulders, because otherwise it will not be good to lead the body wave. And now guys, we are leading a body wave, and this one we will do it by leading a side wave. So this is the requirement for this motion. You need to know how to do a side wave and a body wave. So if you don't know how to do them, make sure to check out this video over here where we show you how to do the body wave for the followers, and also for the leaders how to do the side wave. We will have a video down in the description. So now that we are on 8, let's do it, and we sit down in 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we're sitting, make sure not to be like this, make sure to be straight and sitting here and having this connection, because from here we will do the reverse body wave, and this we do it by leading with our leg and with our hips first. They lead the motion in 5, 6, and the upper body falls a little bit. Now we're up, and on 7 we bring it down to the other side, 7, and we start pushing her to go to that direction. So in order to push her, you need to have here connection and the arm needs to be tensed. Now we can push her in 7, and in 8 we both tap with the same foot and we are looking at each other.
We hope this video brought value to you. Make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video.
Bye.